Well, of course, the big story today, the arrest and capture of Eric Frien. Of course, he was charged earlier today, and we're going to talk a little bit more about that for this edition of The Law and You. With us now, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Gentlemen, thanks for being here today.
Thanks for having us.
Well, the news broke last evening. Of course, everybody has been waiting for weeks now to find out when or if Eric Frien would get captured. He was captured. He was charged this morning. What's next now?
Well, first of all, congratulations to the Pennsylvania State Police. I mean, those brave, men and women did an unbelievable job. This has been something. I mean, my daughters have, talked about it. It's been, in the news obviously every day. The first thing that's, going to happen, for him, from a legal perspective, is he's gonna, if he can't afford an attorney, one's going to be assigned for him, and that's obviously, for his constitutional rights. And then, they're going to begin the legal process of bringing him to justice. Let Greg talk a little bit more about kind of the nuts and bolts, of what's going to happen next. But it's going to be a long process, obviously. But this is the first step, and very good step.
Yeah, well, and Ed's right. This was very traumatic for law enforcement to have this type of thing happen to a trooper. They have a very difficult job, and justice is being served, ladies and gentlemen. That's the important thing. He's been arrested. He's in custody. He's been arraigned. He is not eligible for bail. He will not be getting out on bail. They filed criminal homicide charges, which is a non-bailable offense. They certified it, I believe, for a death penalty case, which honestly, it fits every aggravating factor. Obviously, it's a little more difficult case to try, but with the facts and circumstances that surround this case, it warrants a death penalty.
It's a capital murder.
Yeah, it's a capital case, and it's just a terrible case, which in that situation it needs to be applied. I've handled a bunch of murder cases in my career, and this one fits. And the state police and the FBI, everybody needs to be commended for the work that they've done on this case. And I'm sure the district attorney who's going to be handling this case will do a stellar job, and this guy will never see the light of day again, and he shouldn't.
All right, I'm sure a lot of people are hoping for that. For our viewers that may need your legal advice at any point, how can they reach you guys?
They call us at 570-714-HURT or see us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Or if you have a question, put it on our Facebook page. We'll do our best to answer it on an upcoming segment.
All right, don't forget, results matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Gentlemen, thanks for being here today.
See you tomorrow.
All right, the Law and You hotline is open. You can also head to pahomepage.com. We'll answer your question right here on the show.